210s. Really? I thought it was 410s. Use discount code Jacob when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Can I hear it? Ready? Okay. So, can you shut it one more time? It looks like my, sorry. Yeah, I'm ready. Wow, that's wild. My camera paused earlier. That's pretty crazy. You're on Team 8 Loud.
Yep.
Okay.
All three of us are.
Okay.
It's funny because we got the small truck, the medium truck, the big truck.
Yeah.
And then I got two, he's got kind of worked out.
Yeah. That's pretty cool. A lot of fab work involved. You did all of that yourself too?
No, my buddy, I have my body man. He actually works at Ford Body Shop. What his profession is. He does all my body work.
Okay.
I'm going to be your chauffeur today, Jacob.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to shut the door for you.
I've never seen a door on a truck like this. This is different.
It's been like this since 2005.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. It's been a lot of, you know, it changed out. I got the dash.
Yeah. Oh, this just popped out.
Yep. Just put that in from the bottom. Yep. All this stuff has been in here for a long time.
Okay.
So I was just gonna play you just a normal song. It's not bass boost or anything, just to kind of give you a rough idea.
It's not going in, Ricky. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, it's in. Nice. So your name? What's in your name?
Ricky Spalding from Daytona. Got what was it? 96 amp hour a headway.
Okay.
That was just added. And then we got the JP63 wired at half ohm. And then we got the Sundown X Series.
Okay.
And we'll have you take a listen and have you guess.
Okay. And it's a fourth order?
Take a guess. Yep, we're gonna have them guess.
This is the sixth order?
Sixth order.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, so you have a back. Well, I just didn't see it. It's kind of hard to see. Got it. Okay. That's good.
Yep. So
who built this box?
Chris Jones.
Okay.
He used to own Migraine Customs out of Edgewater, but he moved to Georgia. He's out of Swainsboro, Georgia.
Okay.
He knows Master Will.
Yep.
Okay. So he's doing a lot of boxes for like Polaris's and Can-Ams and stuff like that.
Yes.
Custom builds that stuff. Yeah.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got a Ricky system. He was at the Summer Showcase Jacksonville, Florida show in 2023 showcasing this system. Top 3 loudest dual 210-inch subwoofer system that I've ever heard for sure. And this was the specs of the subwoofer. If anybody's curious, I kind of share those sometimes. So Lambo doors, Probably a custom fab work designed to do that. I know it was a lot more popular in the 90s. It's what I've heard from comments in prior systems I've done. But looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds with a 2-song demo. I like the layout of the whole box and the amplifiers installed safely behind the box and the blow-through. So at first when I got the demo at the end, he wanted me to know what they were. I thought they were 410s, but there was actually only 2 in there. So 2 10-inch subs sounding like 4. Definitely these all in the box being a 6th order helps with that bandwidth response to give you that even response and a louder, crisp sound. I'm pretty sure he has this amplifier down at half ohm, so he's getting all the power to the system. So if you haven't already, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button for daily car audio videos coming your way every day, and enjoy the demo.
But yeah, I just play just like a normal song.
Okay.
So nothing crazy. There's, like I said, it's not bass boosting or anything. Of course, the ads try to pop up too, you know what I mean? Yeah. Alright.
Different, they hit a little harder, just look at the clarity. Whoa, the bitch be stealing, but got some good pussy, some savages. Whoa, I fucked her one time, never answered the phone again, I know she mad at me. Whoa, I put that gas in the car, you watching it came from the factory. Whoa, jumped out the roof with the stars, the freshest nigga in the whole galaxy. Whoa, in high school I had more money than everybody, including the faculty.
I think it sounds really good. What do you mean? What's in here? 410s? 210s? Really? I thought it was 410s. Oh, wow. Yep. Nice. Did good, man. I was thinking 410s. Yeah. I guess wrong.
I think like, you know, 212s, 215s, 412s, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice job. Wow, this is...
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.